This home is situated on a beautiful wooded 1+ acre lot with over 25 mature oak trees. Upgrades include a new roof, complete tear-off, hardwood floors in the living room and all bedrooms, new ceramic flooring in the kitchen and bathrooms, new carpet in the family room, freshly painted interior and more. The nice eat-in kitchen has gorgeous cabinets with self-closing drawers and granite countertops. There's also an oversized garage with a third garage door and a large screened room. The seller is offering a $2,500 appliance credit. Don't miss this great buy.